Morning everyone, Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. We're toward the end of February. We're supposed to get lots of rain this week, which we so desperately need. We've not had a good rain since probably July or August last year. I believe it's supposed to start raining this afternoon and we have a chance of rain for the next 5 days. So what I'm going to do today is do some more gardening prep to get ready for my spring garden and my summer planting. But I'm also going to plant some lettuce and some turnips and some cabbage and some spinach today. These are all cool weather plants that you can do here in Texas. This time of year, I did get my seeds from Baker Heirloom Seed Company this past week. I'm really excited. This is one of my most favorite times of the year. So stay tuned as we prep our garden and we get ready to plant. Okay, we've gone through another pass here. You can see it's looking really good. I have the funniest soil. We have this whole black gumbo dirt, and in the summer it's clumpy and hard, but in the winter when we get just a little bit of moisture and it's real foggy today, I can break it up real nice. You can go back and look at some of my videos from last year and see just how temperamental this soil is and how it changes. So we got everything tilled up. You can see the leaves are still in the garden that I tilled up about a month or so back. These will start to disintegrate as we get a little warmer and get some more rain, which we desperately need. But we've started now a little expansion project. So I've tilled this area up and we're going to have to build it up. I planted this area 2 years ago and we got 28 inches of rain that year, and this was completely underwater, so it was not successful. But this year I'm going to build it up, and I'm not sure if we're going to do some raised beds with some peppers and stuff, or if we're going to plant some corn here. So stay tuned and watch. And now I'm going to get started planting. A new addition we've added to our garden this year is a bug house, and I'm going to see how this works. It can attract bees, it can attract ladybugs and beneficial insects that I need for my garden, and we do love our bees. Bees are very important to pollinating our crops and our gardens, so we have to protect them. I'll let you know how this works this year. Stay tuned to my videos, and as we go throughout the year, we'll see. It's been a busy morning this morning. I got me some seeds started in here. I've got some hatch green chili peppers, some poblano peppers, some bell peppers, and I've got some Roma tomatoes and some brandywine tomatoes. The brandywines are what I grew last year that absolutely were huge. They got up to about 2 pounds on some of them, and they were gorgeous and they did so well. So I'm going to try those again this year. So they're in the greenhouse. I didn't have a whole heck of a lot of luck last year. I'm still learning how to gauge the temperature and stuff in my greenhouse, but I did put them on a tray so that if it looks like it's going to get below freezing at night, I can bring them in the house and put them in some shelter to make sure they don't freeze. But I think this week we're going to be doing just fine. It's not supposed to get below 45 or so, and this greenhouse will heat up in the day, and it'll keep them warm. So got this done. Here are my pomegranate branches that we propagated about a month ago, and these are still green. They're doing great in this greenhouse. I'm eager to see how they do and if they start branching out so we can plant them in the spring. Got the garden all tilled up, got my row planted. I got me some spinach, some cabbage, some lettuce, some beets, some turnips. Eager to see if these are going to come up as well. We're expecting lots of rain this week. It's going to be mild weather, so I really do expect that I'll start seeing some seedlings sprout in the next 10 days. Okay, everybody, I got it planted. I got my seeds in some pots and I got them in the greenhouse. Eager to see how those do. Got my row planted with all my cool weather plants. Got the garden tilled up. We're going to have to wait probably another 6 weeks, 5 to 6 weeks before we plant the spring garden. Very excited, so we'll keep you guys posted on how everything is doing. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, we ask that you click the like button and that you subscribe to our channel. We have a whole lot more gardening coming on this year, and we want to share with you some of the things that have worked for us here in Texas. Again, thank you for watching. Take care, God bless, and have a great weekend.